cowboys made of leather. He'll kick and cuss in broad daylight. When he gets drunk, he likes to fight, but his head's on straight and his heart gets right when he's under pressure. He'll start out stiff and rough, but give him time and he'll soften up, and that just makes him twice as tough. Yeah, cowboys made of leather.